Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the division formula in Excel. To begin, open your Excel spreadsheet. Every formula in Excel starts with an equal sign. For division, we use the / symbol. You can divide two numbers directly, like 10 divided by 2, or you can reference cells containing your data. This method is straightforward and efficient for basic calculations. Let's try dividing numbers directly. Select an empty cell and type an equals sign. Then, enter your first number, followed by the / symbol, and finally your second number. For instance, type equals 10 / 2. After pressing enter, Excel will immediately display the result, which is 5. This is perfect for quick, one-off calculations. Now, let's use cell references, which is more common for larger datasets. Place your dividend in cell A1 and your divisor in cell B1. In a new cell, type an equals sign. Click A1, then type the / and click B1. Press enter, and Excel will calculate the division, giving you 5. This method is dynamic and updates automatically. Here are a few important tips. Always avoid dividing by 0, as Excel will display a #div/0 error. Make sure the cells you reference contain actual numbers, not text, to prevent value errors. For more complex formulas, use parentheses to ensure the correct order of operations. This simple method makes division in Excel easy and effective for all your spreadsheet needs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.